Result. Published by Sarkari Exam Result. MP Board Class 5th, Class 8th Result 2026 Delhi DSSS-BPG. UPTET 2026 Online Form, Primary and Junior Teacher Exam Notification, Eligibility, Dates and full details. Published by Sarkari Exam Result. Name of Post, UPTET 2026 Primary and Junior Level Examination. Short information. Uttar Pradesh Education Service Selection Commission, UPESSC, has released the notification for Uttar Pradesh Teacher Eligibility Test, UPTET, 2026 for Primary, Class 1V, and Junior, Class 6-8, level. Interested candidates can apply online from the 27th of March 2026 to the 26th of April 2026. Check eligibility, exam pattern, and other details before applying. Details information. Exam name. UPTET 2026, Primary and Junior Level. Application dates. The 27th of March 2026 to the 26th of April 2026. Exam date. 02 to the 4th of July 2026. Admit card. The 30th of June 2026. Languages. Hindi, English, Urdu, Sanskrit. Category application fee. General, OBC, EWS. 1000 rupees per. SC, Street. 500 rupees per. PH, Divyang. 300 rupees per. UPTET 2026 Primary I to V and Junior V to 8 eligibility. Level eligibility. Primary level, Class IV. Graduation with DELED-OR. 50% marks with B.Ed OR. 45% marks with B.Ed, NCT norms, OR. 10 plus 2 with 50% marks and BL, Ed. Junior level, Class 6-8. Graduation, post-graduation with 50% marks plus B.Ed OR. BTC, DL, Ed past OR. 10 plus 2 with 50% marks and BL, Ed, BSc Ed. How to apply? Apply online between the 27th of March 2026 to the 26th of April 2026. Fill all personal and educational details carefully. Upload required documents like photo, signature, ID proof. Pay application fee through online or challan mode. Check preview before final submission and take printout. Sarkari Exam Result, Important Links. Link name description action. Disclaimer. The information provided on Sarkari Exam Result is for general informational purposes